welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have an update for Face the Music. This is a Fantastic Ladies collab that was created by myself and Misty. It is all about music. There are mostly song prompts, but there are a couple of artist prompts in there as well. And I absolutely love music, which is why I'm very happy that we are doing this project. And there's going to be a spreadsheet of everyone else that has joined in down below. And if you want to join in, it's not too late. It is a year-long project, and it started on December 12th. It will go till December 11th so that we get a full year. And you can pick as many prompts as you want to when you first start. We just do it kind of roulette style. I know there's over 330 prompts. There's no way that anyone can do them all. It's just not possible. If you want to get in on it, again, the spreadsheet's down below. Just, have at it. I am enjoying this. This is my no pressure project. I do have a couple of no pressure projects, but this is definitely one of those. I am just enjoying it and loving hearing about different songs. Most of them, I would say 99% of them, I knew before this project ever started, though some of the ones that Misty put in, I'm like, I don't know if I've ever heard that before. But most of them I'm very familiar with. All right, so let's get into this. I think I'm doing like 5 or 6 at a time, and I do actually have a rollout this time. I am just going to go through them in the order that they came in. So the empty is actually towards the end of this, so we will get into that in a moment. So the first one is Umbrella, and that is a water or rain themed product. I originally had in an eyeshadow from Bare Minerals called Water Lily. I changed that out a couple of updates ago because I just wasn't using it. It was too close to some of the shades in my Pan That palette, and it just wasn't getting used, so it was just kind of sitting there. So I changed it out for this nail polish. This is from Morgan Taylor in the shade Water Baby, and my goal is to use it 5 times. I've only used it once. I have not used it since the last update, and I think it's just because it was not in with my Project Polish stuff, and I just kind of forgot about it. So hopefully I will get another use in it before the next update. The next prompt is Welcome to the Jungle, and that is a jungle theme or color. So I have the BH Cosmetics Wild and Free palette. It is definitely very jungle inspired here, and I am working on the teal shade in the top row, which is this one right here. My goal was to use that 10 times. I do actually have it on my lower lash line today. I have 8 out of 10 uses. I need 2 more uses on this. I was hoping to have it done by this update, but having a 2-week span since the last update where I was sick and I wasn't really wearing makeup, it kind of hindered that. But I am back to wearing makeup on a regular basis, so I'm hoping that I can have that by the next update. The next prompt is Crazy Train, and that is something you were crazy for buying. Yeah, this is going to take 100 years to get done. This is the TG Bedhead Control Freak Hair Serum. It helps like with frizz control and straightening and stuff like that. I don't straighten often, especially with the humidity levels here. It is insane. Frequently we are 60 to like mid 80% of humidity, which is, it's like suffocating. And I am not going to fight the natural curls to try and straighten my hair when we have that much humidity. So this one's going to be hanging out for a while. The next prompt is for the song Circles, and that is a circular product. I picked the Paula's Choice Pro Collagen Multi-Peptide Booster, which to me is a serum, but they say it's not. There's the circle, and I am making very good progress on this one. I was here last time. I am there now. I kind of switch off serums. Sometimes I feel like I want to wear this serum or that serum, and I've been on a kick with wearing this one lately. I've really been enjoying the way it makes my skin feel, so I made some good progress. Hopefully I can keep up that progress and have that done by the next update. And the next prompt is actually my rollout, and that is Easy on Me, and that is a product that is easy to use. And I knew this was going to be done. This is the Philosophy Lemon Custard Shampoo, Shower Gel, and Bubble Bath. It was only used as shower gel. I'm going to miss it because I really like the scent. And it's just a real easy, everyday kind of scent that does not clash with any perfumes that I'm using or body sprays or whatever. So I'm kind of sad that it's gone, but I'm always happy at the same time to have my numbers drop, because that is definitely a very problem category. I will be rolling in something new in a moment, but I do have one more prompt that I was working on since the last update, and that is Karma Chameleon, which I love that song. and I was a big Culture Club fan back in the day, and that prompt calls for a product with a shift. So of course I picked a Looksy shadow. This is in Shimmy, and I do actually have it on like the inner third of my eyes today. It pulls way pink, and I forget about that sometimes. And you know, I'm kind of like orange based today, so the pink really wasn't the best choice. I should put this with my Panette palette. I bet it would work much better with that. The yellow, I don't even see. When I put it on, I don't even see it. It really pulls hard pink on me. So I'm gonna have to wear it with something a little bit cooler toned. But that was brought in for 10 uses. I have used it twice. I do like the shadow, but I think because it looks yellow based in the pan, I forget just how cool tone it is. I use the app Wheel of Names for my Roulette, and I'm going to put a screen grab of that right now. And I am definitely going to have this song stuck in my head, La Camisa Negra by Juanes. Love this song. When it first came out, I played it on repeat forever. Absolutely love Juanes. And that is a product you will miss when it is gone. So I'm bringing in a Holy Grail product. Thankfully, I won't miss it when this particular tub is gone because I do have others. But if it was like completely gone, I would absolutely miss this. You guys know this is total Holy Grail status for me. This is the Not Your Mother's Naturals Matcha Green Tea and Wild Apple Blossom Butter Mask. It is so many words, but it is so good and so worth it. And I love the smell. It is brand spanking new. I want to finish it. It is going to take me a little bit because I am working on another mask as well, but that's okay. I'm very happy to have this. I have missed having this mask in my rotation because I've been working on some of my other ones, some of my slightly older ones, and yeah, it was time to pull this back in because my hair needs it. So that is everything for my Face the Music update. Definitely go check out everyone else that has joined in. They're going to be listed down below. I am not sure if this is going to be coming back again next year. I'll have to ask everyone in the group if it's something that they would like to see again. I have to say I have thoroughly enjoyed it, but I am an absolute music lover. I like a lot of different genres. I listen to music in different languages, and I don't know. Music to me is the universal language, so this is very near and dear to my heart. Definitely go check out Misty. She's going to be listed down below. She is on a temporary hiatus, but she's got tons of videos on her channel, so you can check her out and check out some other people that have joined in, because there's a lot of people that are really into music, and some of them have picked up this project and are enjoying it quite a bit as well. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.